Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this lead code problem. In the arrays, this is 1470 shuffle the array. So let's see what it was saying. It's saying like there is an array, so which list, so which has two n elements, like so it is like let's take it six elements, like it's in the even order. Okay, so based on two n, you can understand it's a even number of elements, and what they're expecting is like you want to arrange the elements in this sequence. So they given the elements in this format, like x1, x2, x3, and y1, y2, y3, and so on, yn, and so on, xn. In that format they given. At the end, they what they're expecting is like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. In that way they want. So in mathematics we did problems, right? Suppose you do the in centroid formula. What is centroid formula? Like x1 plus x2 plus x3. There are 3 points, and how to, I'm forgot actually. I mean, let's take midpoint. Okay, midpoint means what? There are 2 points, x1 and y1 and x2 y2. What is the midpoint? x1 plus y1 by 2 comma x2 plus, or x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So I think, yeah, that's a midpoint. So in the same way, so I forgot the formula, so forget about that, understand the concept. So in the same way, what we want x1 y1 and x2 y2. In this way we want the pattern. So they're asking you to find the pattern. They given the list like that, you want to format it in such a way. So how you going to format? They given one number, they given one element. Based on that you have to decide, okay, till this part it is this and this is that. In that way you have to decide. So it's very simple. My approach is like, I can use this for loop, and I iterate till that end. And obviously in list, let's take this example. So okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So index will start from 0. The total length of this nums is, this list is 6, and it will start from 0, and they given the n as 3. That means x1, after next element is the third one, like 0 1 2, 0 1 2 3. So okay, this is the one you have to add here. So next is what? For this fifth one, what is the next three? Next three is 0 1 2 3. So 4 is the next one. So after this one, what is the next one? So 1 2 3. So whatever number you given, so that index has to be added with that number, then you will get the result. So this is the logic of solving this problem. Okay, so let's solve this. At the end we want this, we want to return, let's take one output that is equal to, let's take an empty list, and after that let's use the for loop. For I in a range of what? Till when you have to iterate. So till n you have to iterate, you can see here. So till n, whatever number they given, till that number you have to iterate. And what is the logic? Let's take output dot append. So what you have to, so you have to append two things. One is, I think append will only uh, add one element. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's see this nums of I, whatever number you have, and after that another one is nums of I plus n. Okay, in this way we can add. So at this time, what happens? Nums of 0 will come, 0 plus whatever 3. So 3 will come. That means first zeroth element is there, next to this one is there. I think it will give error because append will add only one element. It's not add multiple. Let's see. So that's how we learn, right? We have to try. So then we'll learn. Okay, yeah, I got the same. So nums append only will accept one, so no problem. So then what we can do? So we'll use the same um, output dot append nums of I plus n. In this way, this is also sorted, right? So here you added this. Or there is one more thing. I think extends is there. So this code is damn sure it will work fine. So let's see. Let's comment this, and instead of thing extends nums of I comma nums of. Let's see. Let's trial and error. Then we'll learn, right? So let's see this. Okay, I think extension is also not working fine. Okay, TK, so we'll use this append approach only, multiple appends, and so this will work definitely. Damn sure about it. Okay, let me run this. See, that's it, guys. This is the way you can use. So there are many ways to solve a problem. It's about your choice and how well you are solving this. Of course, see, you can see if it is a good solution, it will run in a very faster span and it will take less time. I think instead of doing multiple methods here, I think I have to use another maybe. I have to use some more better optimized technique also there. But at the end, what my point is like I have to solve the problem, right? And also I used optimized technique only. So here I used for loop, but the problem is like I used a couple of functions, like the same functions I used a couple of times. Instead of that, I have to use within a single function. How I have to do that within a single variable, a single method? How can I do that? So that is the logic you have to check. And so but ultimately, yeah, we can solve the problem. So it's not all about solving the problem. We have to find the optimized solution. But it's okay, fine. So whenever you are approaching, so we'll learn something new. And um, so this knowledge will be helpful in the long run. Then you can able to so get the optimized solutions. But so first we have to try as much as we can, so as many problems as we can, then we'll understand some logics will be clear with the basics. Then once we get the solution, then we look for the optimized solution. Before, even if you're not getting the solution, then it's a mistake. So right, so first target is to get the solution, then to make the solution more optimized. That's the logic. Yeah, we'll see you in the next tutorials. Thank you.